Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up your settings. From here we're gonna scroll down to, let's see, backup and reset, then select factory data reset from the bottom, reset phone. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have a pattern set, so I'm gonna quickly confirm it, erase everything, and this will begin the process. Now this will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just give it some time, and once it's finished we should then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.